I am Sandeep. In yesterday's online video, we got to know different things about Google Keyword Planner. We identified traffic generating keywords out of this keyword list, that is more than 600, and I showed you that which keywords will generate large amount of traffic. So today the agenda of our class is to get to know another most important thing about Google Keyword Planner. So I go to Keyword Planner, and we already have two options here: discover new keyword and get search volume and forecast. In yesterday's online video, we get to know the volume and forecast of these all 600 keywords, for which we got the result of keywords which would attract high amount of traffic, right? So this is done. And now for this part of Google Keyword Planner, discover new keywords. If you want to know about the keywords that are much different in comparison to all these 600 keywords, right? So you need to use this option of Google Ads Keyword Planner, discover new keyword. So let's do it. I click it, and you get the option start with keywords or start with website. So I go with start with keywords, and it says enter products or services closely related to your business. So now here the option takes only 10 keywords. You cannot put in 600 keywords out here, right? So what I do, I can select any random 10 keywords, copy it and put in here, and it says you have pasted the limit of 10 keywords to get ideas. So for all these 10 keywords, we would be getting keyword ideas. Keyword ideas means different kind of ideas other than these keywords. It might match, it might have some other definition. So let's see it. So once you click get results, you would see these two kinds of keyword, that is keywords by relevance, and this is the keywords that we had provided: search engine optimization techniques, search engine optimization jobs, SEO, and these are the keyword ideas that we have received just now from Google Ads Keyword Planner. So in order to identify some new keyword ideas, we have to select low competition and high search volume keywords. Now, you may ask the question that why low competition and high search volume? The reason being the keywords that we have already chosen. So there might be several high traffic keywords as well as high competition keywords which are already used by your competitors. So the competitors are already ranking for these keywords. So the keywords are in high competition. So if you start with your article or blog, you might not compete with them directly. So in order to compete with your competitor websites, you have to start with low competition and high search volume keywords, so that if you use these kind of keywords, then you can start ranking for this low competition and high search volume keywords for your own website. So we would be learning that how to do it, how to get the keyword ideas which are low in competition and high in search volume. So what I do, I will select these keyword ideas: search engine optimization, SEO meaning, SEO marketing, all are low competition and high search volume. Similarly, I would go for SEO optimization, SEO certification, on-page SEO, local SEO, and let's click for more. You can also select some medium competition keywords so that you can have the traffic that you want for your particular keyword. So herein we would get a prediction from Google Ads Keyword Planner that what kind of keyword ideas can give you low competition as well as high search volume, right? So once we do it, we already have selected 19 keyword ideas. So what I do, I will select this option, add keywords. So once you select it, you get that 19 keywords added to your plan. So after you have did it, you have to go to this plan overview option, click it, and you will get a prediction from Google that for these kind of low competition and high traffic keyword ideas, what are the kind of clicks and impressions as well as value you can expect from Google search engine. So if you see, the first rank is held by search engine optimization keyword, followed by SEO optimization. It says it will give you 970 clicks and 10,954 impressions search volume, followed by search engine optimization, 1112 clicks as well as 10,000 impressions. And see the kind of cost that Google is asking to you. So isn't it exciting that you are saving your much hard earned money right now? So this is the prediction that if you want to have 5.6k clicks for all these keywords, and if you want to have this target impressions or search volume, then you would have to spend 94,000 as a budget for your Google ads, and 10.5% is the clicking rate of your particular article keyword idea. So CTR is basically 5.6k clicks divided by impressions. So average cost is rupees 70 per click. So if you see the forecast of next year, the traffic is rising. So you start with 1.2k click today or tomorrow, 21st July, and next year it will rise to 1.5k. So isn't it awesome, guys? You can see the kind of traffic from other locations. Maharashtra 13%, Uttar Pradesh 12%, and mobile phones dominate the scene. Okay, so I think you guys have a good idea about using the Google Keyword Planner. Hope you enjoyed the session. I would get back to you with another more informable video. Thank you guys. Bye.